Hey everyone, it's Brandon Browning here at eXp Realty, and today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. It's an issue that I'm sure if you're an agent, real estate professional, and you're listening, you've dealt with this. But this video is going to be for the homeowner, the home seller that's thinking about selling their home sometime in the near future, or maybe you're a current home seller. So this is a very important topic. I'm gonna title today's video, Fix Any Unresolved Issues in Advance. And you may just say, well, that's not me, I'm not worried about it. Look, don't tap out on this video until you understand exactly what I'm talking about here, because you may have issues and you may not know it. So the question is, are there going to be any issues that pop up when your home goes under contract? And you say, well, what can pop up? So things like old liens, assessments, credit issues, etc. On one of my recent real estate transactions where I brought a buyer, just giving you an example. I brought a buyer to a listing. We were under contract a few weeks in the deal when we found out the seller was in need of completing a succession. And a succession is a process that takes a lot of time. It delayed the deal for weeks. It almost killed the deal. So for those of you who may not know, a succession is a process of settling a deceased person's estate, and then I guess you could say distributing that property after the debts are paid. So this process is actually in other states it's called probate. So those of you that may not be from here may think of it like that, but a succession is also used to refer to the estate a person leaves behind at death. So Louisiana laws are very different from any other state. Louisiana has very strict laws where a property goes after someone passes away. So if you're thinking about selling your home and unfortunately you fall into this category, make sure you talk to an attorney. Make sure you've done all your front-end work before you put your home on the market. So to continue, you want to ask yourself, are there any outstanding liens or any judgments on the property? Do you owe any property taxes? Do you have any IRS liens? Do you have any back HOA dues that you may have not paid? And your real estate agent, your real estate professional needs to be looking out for your best interests on this stuff. You need to make sure in advance that all this stuff's been attended to, and there are no embarrassing delays that can occur before you make it to the closing table. And you may ask, well, how does this stuff actually come up? And it comes up typically in the title search. So when the title attorney gets the file, they start doing their background searches, and so it's handled by a title company. And if anything comes up, any blemishes, any issues, that title company, along with your agent, and you'll work together as partners to help resolve those issues. But trust me, sometimes a homeowner can have these issues come up, and they can kill the sale. They can kill the deal. So you may ask, well, what can do that? It's a lien with a contractor has been unpaid. They may have put a lien on your house. Unpaid taxes, stuff I mentioned previously. I mean, that can mess a deal up. So ask yourself, do you have any of those judgments, HOA dues that's unpaid, any assessments that needs to be taken care of? Maybe you're living in a subdivision and you had a landscaping project or a playground that was built in your subdivision, and you didn't pay something, and so maybe they sent you something and it got misfiled, you forgot about it, something like that. But there are many obstacles that can appear during this process. Okay, so if you have any doubt about any of this, take care of it on the front end. Do your front end work. Make sure it's taken care of, so you're good, so you can be good to go, and that you can be all in on this sale and no embarrassing things will pop up during the process. So that's about it. So thanks again for watching. Again, my name is Brandon Browning. I'm with eXp Realty, and until next time, be blessed. Thanks so much.